Morning dear students. In today's class we'll see again the problems on Green's theorem. In the previous lecture we have seen the how to solve the problems on Green's theorem. So with the help of the same base we'll continue today in today's class. So the question is, by using Green's theorem, evaluate integration of 3x square minus 8y square of dx plus 4y minus 6xy of dy, where C is the boundary of the region enclosed by y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square. So given thing, integration of 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy of dy. So the given thing I have taken as it is. We have Green's theorem. So statement of Green's theorem is integration m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y into dx dy. So here after comparing, the value of m will be 3x square minus 8y square, because left hand side is same as the given question. Coefficient of dx is nothing but the value of m. Coefficient of dy is value of m. If suppose minus sign is there, we have to take that minus. Right now we have plus, we have to carry the same here. So 4x minus 6y are the m and n. So as we know, so once we got m and n, we need to find what here? Dou m by dou y. Means m we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. So that is 3x square minus 8y square. So partial derivative of m with respect to y means 3x square is 0. Leave it, minus sign as it is. So 8y square will become what here? 8 2s are 16y. And similarly, dou n upon dou x, and we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. At that time 4y is purely constant, 0, leave it, minus sign. So 6xy with respect to x is 6y. So we got dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x now. So with the help of this, we'll go for the next concept. Now, so as we know that to apply here in the right hand side, we need the integral values, which is upper and lower limit. So that can be found by using the region what they have given in the question. They have given the region is enclosed by y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square. Y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square are both are nothing but curves. So that curves I will take it here. So given that is y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square. See, both are in the form of what here? Parabola. So this can be written as y square is equal to x. This is one of the parabola, and y is equal to x square is another parabola. So here we need, I will draw the diagram. So before drawing, so we'll simplify this. So the points will simplify. So you can apply this expression to this or this expression to this. So what happens here, if I put value of x is equal to here y square or y square is nothing but so on simplifying, what I will do here, I will replace this y is equal to root x. So therefore what happens here, root x is equal to x square, which implies taking a square on both sides. So it will become x is equal to x raised to 4. By square here, root will vanish, x will left, square here x raised to 4, or we can write this one as x raised to 4, take this inside, minus x is equal to 0, or on simplification take x common, so x cube minus 1 equal to 0. So which implies, so we can say that the x is equal to 0 or x cube minus 1 equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 1. So we got the two roots here. So we have x values are 2 here, 2 values. So therefore the intersections are if you put here anywhere in this equation or in this equation, if you put here x is equal to 0, y will become out here 0, and similarly when you put x is equal to 1, y is also become out here 1. So the intersection points are 0, 0 and 1, 1. We will draw the diagram based on this. So the diagram will be, you draw the xy plane. Because it is parabola, you need to take all the 4 axes, means positive as well as negative. So next, draw a parabola. So this parabola is nothing but y is equal to x square, means y is equal to x square. This is symmetric about what here, y axis. And similarly, because they are intersecting at 0, 0, and this I will consider 1, and here also I will consider 1. This is the intersection point. This point is nothing but 1, 1. So if you draw lines, means while drawing you see that it should passes through this point. This is also one more parabola, and this parabola is nothing but y is equal to root x or y square is equal to x, any one among that. So these are the intersecting point, and this is the region now. So this is the complete region. So from where we are going to be integrated. So therefore now based on this diagram we need to simplify. So as we know that our Green's theorem, it is integration over c m dx plus n dy is nothing but double integration over the region R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx into dy. So left hand side we know that it is a given question only, that is integration of 3 times x square minus 8y square into dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy is equal to, the right hand side I will write down here, double integration dou n by dou x. So dou n by dou x we got it as minus 6y formula minus, and dou m by dou y is minus times 16y, so minus minus it will become plus 16y. So here before writing dx dy, so I will initiate first. So x, I will take the initial line as x varies from 0 to 1, x varies from 0 to 1, and I will take the strip here like that. So this is my strip, okay. This is my strip. So this strip means lower part is touching to which curve and upper part is touching to which curve, you need to concentrate. So lower part is touching to which curve, you just see in terms of y. So in terms of y, so lower part, this is a lower part touching to the curve belongs to y is equal to x square, and upper part is touching to the curve, y is equal to what here, root x. So like that we need to simplify. So we are going to integrate first with respect to y, then with respect to x. So now we'll simplify the right hand side. So x varies from 0 to 1. So before integration we'll simplify, y varies from x square to root x. So minus 6y plus 16y, it will become 10y into dy into dx. You can take 10 outside. We'll keep 10 outside. Integration x from 0 to x is equal to 1. Integration of y with respect to y is what here? It is y square by 2. Limit from y is equal to x square to y is equal to root x into dx. So therefore 10 and 2, it will be completely outside. It will become 10 upon 2 this integration will remain as it is. You just recall your first semester how to find the area of the this one, changing the order and all, the same kind of examples these are. So y square, apply upper limit, these two I have taken already outside. So upper limit y square, it will become y value is root x, it will become root x square upper limit, minus lower limit is what here, y is x square, it will become, here we have y square, so already this is square and this x square into dx. So therefore on simplification 10 by 2 will become 5, integration 0 to 1. So root x square will become x, minus x square whole square will become x raised to 4 into dx. Now we integrate with respect to x 5. So integration of x is x square by 2, minus integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5, from limit from 0 to 1. So therefore 5, apply upper limit, it will become 1 square become 1, it will become 1 by 2, minus 1 raised to 5 will begin again what here, 1 itself, so 1 upon 5 upper limit, minus lower limit 0, minus again 0 raised to anything, means 0 upon 2 anything is 0, again 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. So on simplification what will get here, 5. So LCM is again what here, 10, 5 minus 2. So therefore 5 by 10 into 5 minus 2 is 3. So therefore 5 ones are 5 twos are, so result is 2. So therefore integration of 3x square minus 8y square into dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy is equal to 3 by 2. So in this way we need to simplify the examples based on Green's theorem.